Welcome to your Weddell Duo Shower Filter, an NSF certified shower filter designed to support healthier feeling skin and hair. Let's walk through installation. Step 1. Remove your existing shower head. You won't need any tools, but if it's stuck, you can use a wrench wrapped in a cloth to protect the finish. Step 2. Prepare the shower arm. Wipe away any debris from the threads. Plumber's tape is not usually needed, but if you notice leaking, apply 2 to 3 wraps. Using too much can prevent a proper seal. Step 3. Check the O-rings. There are 2, one inside the top swivel connector and one inside the bottom connection, visible after removing the plastic cap. Make sure both are properly seated before continuing. Step 4. Apply plumber's tape to the bottom threads of the Weddell Duo, using 2 full wraps. Avoid using too much, as this can prevent a proper seal. Step 5. Attach Weddell Duo to the shower arm. Hand tighten the top swivel connector clockwise, making sure the unit sits straight and flush. Do not over-tighten. Step 6. Reattach your shower head to the bottom of the Weddell Duo and hand tighten. Make sure the connection is secure, but do not over-tighten. Run water for 3 minutes to flush the filters. Your Weddell Duo is now ready to use. Thank you for making Weddell water part of your wellness routine. Here's to many clean, filtered showers ahead.